In a world of variable hours and starter salaries, a simple three-tier saving plan helps grads turn paychecks into real progress. The rule is simple: automate 10% to savings, track expenses, and use a zero-based budget that gives every dollar a job. A relatable success story is Maya, who cut daily cafe runs, built a $500 emergency fund in 3 months, and kept growing. She also started a low-fee micro-investing account, letting small contributions creep upward without overwhelming risk. Listeners can craft their own first-year financial playbook by choosing 3 goals.